Now we are going to start making the arancini. Okay, for using arancini, for making arancini we require garlic, onions, some tomato sauce, that is the tomato concasse that we made, and this is arborio rice. This is how the rice looks like. This is a special rice which especially comes from Italy. This is not usually found here in India. We get it from Italy. We will also call it as an arborio rice. Okay, and as it is an Italian dish, we are going to also use olive oil. Now we are going to start making the preparation of arancini. First we are going to cook the rice, and after we cooking the rice, then we are going to make some balls out of it, and later I will show you how it is done. So first we are going to add oil. Allow this to get heat. Once you feel some heat coming up, you add garlic. We don't want the garlic to roast it. We only want the garlic to be sauteed. Then we add onions to it. We sweat the onions, and now we are going to add this arborio rice. I am adding around 250 grams of arborio rice. We saute this. So whenever you are taking rice, the quantity is always 1:2. So as we have taken around 250 grams of rice, our water quantity is going to be 500 ml. Now when the rice is almost all absorbed the oil, this is the time we are going to add water, that is 500 ml. We need to allow this to cook now. Okay, and also we are going to give a light flavor of the tomato sauce to this, which will mix in the same rice mixture. So once you mix the tomatoes, we leave it covered until the rice gets cooked. As you can see here, now our rice is ready. Now we switch off the flame and we'll remove from heat. We will arrange it in a tray. As you can see here, now I have kept it in the tray, spreading it completely so that the heat to escape as soon as possible. Now I am going to put this entire tray inside the fridge, so that this mixture will cool down, so that it can be easy for me to handle while making the balls. Once our arancini has become frozen, we are going to cut mozzarella cheese into small cubes, and these cubes we are going to give a stuffing. So we are going to stuff our mozzarella cheese in between. We are going to add some more rice to it so that the stuffing stays intact, and then we are going to just give shapes of ball. But make sure you are pressing every time, because the ball has to be tight and intact. If at all it is not tight and intact, next after when we do crumbing and when we give a fry to it, the entire thing will ooze out. So make sure it is tight and it is intact. So see here, our ball is ready. So this is the shape of the ball. So once we do it, we lay all our balls like this, and then we'll leave it under fridge for some more time so that the entire thing becomes hard. Then we're going to do the crumbing method. Crumbing method, that is, you first dust it in flour, then put it in the egg mixture, coating of egg mixture, then we give a nice crumb coat to this. Handle it with care, because again if you press it hardly, the ball will break up. So make sure the crumb is touching each and every part. And then, so after we have kept it for cooling for some time, now we are frying it until golden brown color. Once we get a golden brown color, we need to remove it. This is our final product, and the down sauce is a pesto sauce. So I've just given a design to it, and we give only 2 pieces or maximum 3 pieces per portion.